Follow 3J here today. Today, me and Jaden are going to be going to Walmart.
What?
Not alone, but we're going to be going to Walmart.
Julian.
What?
Jake?
Yep, I know how to get home. We switched seat because this dumb guy. He actually did. So now my cousin's in the front. Just dropped my dad off at Conway. See him over there. So yeah,
Love you.
I was thinking about the later. So okay.
Okay, guys, here's to the left, right?
Yep.
Look, go to the left. I know.
Okay, guys, sorry, I don't like this. Look at that.
And here to the left again, Julian.
Yeah. So we're about to go to Walmart.
Wait, no, we gotta go Willow.
No, we're not.
No,
No, we're not.
we're getting Willow, Julian.
Are we?
No, we're going to Walmart now.
Okay, guys. So really happy that he's getting new helicopter and stuff.
Okay, so straight ahead, right, Jake?
And I got a new sniper.
Yeah.
Yeah, you let me know
Okay,
ahead,
so
okay?
yeah, the stop sign. You're gonna actually wait. Don't make a right.
So you said
Keep going,
Oh
right?
wait, yeah, keep going. So she's gonna keep going. Just giving directions. She came from Florida. So she doesn't really know how to get around.
oh, at this stuff.
And then right, this stop sign, you're gonna make a right. Giving directions to Walmart. Giving directions to Walmart. Giving directions to Walmart. And then after that, you would. I'm just gonna.
I already know.
We made
Where's that
it.
way? See?
You can go that way.
Huh?
You could go that. You could go that way. Baby.
Look at the Porsche.
Where?
Right there. Yeah.
Right there, look at the black one.
Look at the Porsche, guys. Look at the
And then
Porsche.
which one would you like, the Porsche or the Charger?
The Charger. I would like the Charger.
Hello?
I'll take the Porsche.
I'll take the Porsche. So that Charger over there. Oh, put hashtag Charger or hashtag Porsche. Whatever one you want. You guys want. If you guys had it.
I'll take the Porsche. I know.
If you guys had a chance.
I take a Honda Civic over both of them. Even though the Honda Civic might be slower, it's still nice.
Okay, so we made it.
No, how about
He's gonna
on the Parker?
Here, guys. Finally here at Walmart.
We did it. Yes, we did it. Jake, wait for me, please.
Go, Jake. Go. Okay.
I hope I get money back.
Yeah, you get all your money back.
Because I only had it for a day.
You get all your money.
Yeah, I had it for only yesterday. That was it.
Okay, guys. So we're at Walmart. Finally.
Hey, my love.
We're about to go to
This
Theskyrx.
helicopter was $19.92.
Oh my God, what that look like? Crazy.
No, that was $19.82.
Well, it says 92.
It said 92, then that's a ripoff.
Yeah, look.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Come.
Oh, wait, that's changed
Hey, guys.
to do.
Yeah, I gave you 1992 change. If there was no...
Got my ID. They're gonna ask me for ID.
No, it's returning me. I'm the one that bought it. You're not gonna ask an ID on a little kid.
Did you ask for the name of the lady that you talked to?
It was the manager.
Manager. And it shows it on the receipt too. Manager. Dennis.
Dennis.
Denvis.
It says Dennis? Let me see.
It says a V. Oh, Dennis. Madambu. Right here.
Okay.
Nothing more.
Bag away.
I didn't throw it away. It's in
Where's
my
the bag?
pocket. Want some pretzels?
Yes.
If I left over money, I'll buy my own. If I do. Because I know what my mom does. That's mine.
We got it.
It's nothing, but it's not. It's a lot gonna do now.
We're gonna go buy a different one. Not the same
You're gonna buy
kind.
another one?
Not the
No,
same
different
kind.
one.
It's a different brand. Cause I saw another one, but he didn't get to
If
see
you
it.
buy the same one, it's gonna do the same thing, Jaden.
No, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not buying that.
So we're about to go to the back. Right now in the front.
I'm overcharged it.
But we're about to go to the back. Okay,
I
guys?
ate it all.
So we're in the back.
Just get a net and ship you with it, Jay.
Doble A. 4
I'll shoot the best nerf gun.
So we're here, guys.
That's why I shot one in.
All these RC stuff. All this RC
Oh,
stuff.
this is hot.
Over here. That's what I was talking about.
You were?
But it's 30.
Oh.
That one is bigger.
And it got the propeller in the back.
How much is that one?
30, but I got 26 on me right now.
20, 20,
Okay, I can't
25.
give you
I got 20. I got
Papa,
25
babe.
on
Find
me.
a car or a truck or something.
Well, I
That
got
one
20.
is expensive, Jay.
Well, I got $25 in it. 25.
Pretty cool, right, guys?
Okay,
So
the
he
only
bought-
thing that I'm telling you
Oh wait, but how much is
that if
this?
you get the stuff and then it happened the same
$89.
thing.
But we're buying a different kind.
1997. Yep.
But how much is this thing?
It's 89.
It is where? Where does it say that?
One,
Look, check
I
the
know.
number here and check the number over there on the price.
No, we can go
$29.97.
scan.
No, it's not that.
No?
That's no. I wish. It's gonna be 89. What? It's 89. Or 88. 88.97.
Oh.
88.84.
Oh shoot! Hey, let me put this back. Here, Jake, stay right next to that.
I told you it was
It's solid.
Look at this.
This is 88.84.
Yeah, right.
It is. You want to check?
No, I know. I don't want to.
I just want to check the price.
Dang, I was thinking it was like $30.
So this one's cool.
Yeah, I'd take that one.
Yeah, but look.
What? Oh my gosh, never mind. I can't even get that one. This was $50 for $60.
How do you just get a nice and simple of this?
But that could probably break faster, Junior. He doesn't even go.
That's lame.
Maybe it's just showing how he does it. What about that one? Look at that one is
Costs
faster.
too much.
That one, how much is that one?
But how much is this? Jaden, come here. Look at this.
Look at this.
Look at this.
What is this? It flies?
It's a remote control.
Airplane?
Yes. It's an air. Look it has the fence. Here, hold this.
It look like it's pretty.
What do you mean?
One
Which one do you think I
second.
should get? The helicopter?
I would get this. You don't have enough money for that.
First, you have to check the price, guys.
Yeah, hold on. Come on, let's check the price on
this,
both of
guys.
those, homie.
You want to check this one too? Oh, you got it? Yeah, be careful you don't drop your... This time,
See how
when
much
you
it
take
is?
it out from the box, take it nice and slowly.
I know. I
Okay.
tried to tell him. Ooh.
40 bucks.
What was that?
This is an airplane.
It's an airplane and it has defense shield.
So then you're gonna be needing how much?
I got $25. You need like $20 more for this.
I don't have $20 more. I can give you
No, you
10
need
today,
like
but
10.
I'll probably just take this.
okay. But this time,
You don't have enough for this.
Can I get
So what else I should put like?
you're gonna get present.
You're gonna have to put in like $6.
Can I use it?
Okay, guys. So we're gonna buy. Jaden, show them this. Okay, guys. So we're gonna make a ball on this. We're flying this.
This one looks more stable too.
Yeah, and it's bigger.
And it looks like an actual drum.
You don't need
Like
battery.
this one from Black Ops. Guys, like this kind of. If you guys think this looks like a drone from any kind of Black Ops
Maybe the same thing you have to charge, right?
or
But
mission,
not included the batteries.
Oh, so need batteries?
we have
We have a
batteries.
lot of batteries.
Yeah, we have a
What kind
lot.
of batteries have?
AA.
Yeah, we have a lot.
We got AA.
Yeah, we have like 30 of them.
Jason, this is
Okay, guys.
I'm gonna see how
Okay, guys. You guys watch it.
Who you the rest? Yeah.
Oh, let me give this thing a like up, and if you don't subscribe, I will eat your fries.